Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy is Popeye, and we are the RC Sailors. Happy 2018.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, this is officially the first video of the year for 2018 for us.
All right.
Isn't this crazy?
Starting off strong.
Yeah, well, we have a cool little quadcopter by JJRC. It's actually, if you saw the thumbnail, 2 quadcopters for about the price of 1. I really like the idea of putting 2 of the similar quad in the box and having 1 controller to fly both of them, because we don't need a controller for every single quad that we get.
Right.
I like this. I hope that this is the first step in the right direction so that we can buy our favorite little things like the Fury BF36 by itself and just have that 1 transmitter. But in the meantime, this is by JJRC, and they are taking a step in the right direction. I'm excited because we have never gotten a box of quadcopters, 2 quads with 1 controller, out of the 1,000+ videos we've done. Crazy.
2 quadcopters in 1 box.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Now you get a little black one and a white one, and they call them different names. There's actually the JJ1 and the JJII, or the 2. So
Roman numeral 2.
I don't know which one is which, to be honest with you.
I don't know.
But I think you can buy these individually. But if
I'll
you
be this one because it's like white like the bride and you're in black like the groom.
Okay. I'll be the Mavic, you be the Spark.
Sure.
Okay. They have a version with a camera, but ours just has a little third light down there. Unfortunately, the battery is built into the quad. It does look like it's accessible.
Yeah, in the instruction manual it shows you how to take it out.
Yeah, so it's not just like pop it out, but you can get to that with 4 screws. Yeah, I think we should just probably fly this.
You only get 4 spare props.
Oh no.
Not 8 for both of them. You get your instruction manual, you get this little QR code so you can download
Oh, Popeye's ready.
AR Master Shooter game on your iPhone, just a fun little drone game, and then your USB charger.
Yeah, and it's pretty simple. So let's just put these in the air and see how they actually fly. Did we mention that the arms fold?
Well, I mean,
Because that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I love that the arms fold on this little baby Mavic. That's what that looks like.
All right, we need to fly before Popeye freaks out.
Ladies first.
Oh, man. Even though these quadcopters come in the same box and they're about the same size, they are quite different. I mean, obviously the colors, but this one is more smooth, and we did read and we found out this is the JJ1, and this black one is more like jagged edges with the shape. This is the JJ2. So I'm gonna fly this one first, but if you're interested in these, it'll be linked out in the description box below so you can check that out. So let's try drone on first. There's an on-off switch right in the back. I can flip it with my nail.
Popeye's so excited.
All right, we have 1 red light.
Nice, I see a white light on the front.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Up, down. Great, we have juice.
Nice.
Okay, Popeye is gonna bark. We'll turn it down and we'll be right back. Ready, Popeye? Let's go. Okay, it's flying pretty well. And this is not altitude hold, so you do have to, adjust the throttle as you fly, which makes it a little more difficult to fly, but also more challenging and more fun. So this has rates. There's rate 2. A lot more punchy. Ah!
Popeye, he got it.
You
He
got
it for
it.
you.
Thanks, buddy. You just
Good
ruined
job,
my
buddy.
quadcopter. There's 3 rates, so I'm going to take off at rate 1. Rate 1. Here. Punch.
Punch is good.
Alright, so there's rate 1. We'll take off in rate 2 now. We'll just do a throttle punch first.
I think it's the same.
I think it's the same too.
It should be the same.
Yeah. Oh man, where's my prop guards?
What are you doing?
Ow!
That's horrible.
Let's try to fly this a little bit better. I'm usually not the one to go first.
What are those white specks on the table?
That would be stucco.
Yeah.
We're on the ceiling. Alright, rate 2. I don't know why I'm flying first. I'm not the drone tester. Definitely need to stick with rate 1 with this. Alright, doggy dog, let's do better now. I'm lucky with this one if I can just do throttle management.
You want to try a flip?
I'm thinking about it. Thinking about it. Here in a second, it's coming. Anytime now. Just wait for it.
There's a flip.
Oh no! We lost some altitude. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna do a backflip. Oh, there's the ceiling. Oh my! I am noticing that whenever this hits the ground that some of the arms will fold in because they don't lock in place. So anytime you crash, before you take off again, check the position of the arms so you make sure it's fully extended, and that way like the props don't clip each other. Alright, we can fly this better. I can fly this better for you guys. Are you rooting for me? I hope you are, because I need all the support I can get. Alright. Sometimes with these drones that are a little more punchy inside, I struggle with them. Even to this day, I struggle. Oh, I knew I was gonna do that. I need some practice with this one, for sure. I'm just not very good at these little indoor quads. I don't like having the ceiling cap.
I like to fly inside. I'm excited to try it. I think it looks like it's gonna be really fun to fly. This one is officially yours. It's got Popeye crunch marks in the top of it and everything. So I want to turn that off. Popeye, you can stare at that one, and I'm gonna fly this one. You know what? Before we do this, I want to try one thing. While you still got juice in yours, I got that one turned on. I got this one turned on.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Turn the transmitter on. And I just want to see, can it do both at the same time?
It bounced.
Yes, it can.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. Are you gonna do it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my
I've never done
gosh!
this before.
Oh my
I've never
gosh!
flown 2 drones with 1 transmitter. Popeye's gonna bark for a second, and then we'll go.
Oh my gosh!
See, it's because yours has less juice. Popeye, no.
You gotta do it with the same charge.
Yeah, but it worked.
That's so funny.
Okay.
Oh man, if you guys pick this up, I want to see the videos of you flying these at the same time. What you think, Mr. Show Off?
I'm not showing off, I'm just having fun.
You're doing better than me!
It's very docile.
My flight was embarrassing.
At this rate, it's extremely docile. I'm flying it. I'll do a hands-free flight here for you.
Aren't you Mr. Perfect?
Yeah, I mean, it's very easy to fly. This feels a lot like...
It's very easy to fly.
It feels a lot like a Fury BF-36.
Now yours is broken.
This is a good little quad. Let me try a couple.
Yeah, it's a good quad. I just struggled.
You just press the button, pick a direction, and it does a flip, and you don't lose any altitude. It's very nice.
Unless you're me.
And here's rate 2, which is, it feels just a little bit snappier on the pitch, but not a lot. Rate 3 does feel really good. Can we do a cyclone? No, we can't. So it can't really pull off the cyclone because the pitch and the yaw rates just are not quite there. Looks good though. I like those, 3 white lights on the front and 2 red on the back?
Yep.
Really nice for orientation. It looks...
My quad didn't have that, right? Mine only had 1.
I think yours had different lights on it, yeah. So that's pretty cool. They're actually very different quads. They look similar. Same form factor, just about. You know, size and everything. But, yeah, this is nice. Okay, so we also have headless mode and return to home. Let's test those really quick. Headless mode. We get the awful beeping for headless mode, but It's working. I can fly in one direction while rotating in the highest rate, and it works really well. We'll turn that off though, because I do not like the beeping. And a return to home. It's probably going to be a little off because we've flown this all over the place. So we're going to hit it. It actually came back towards me.
And hit the ceiling.
I just had to cut the throttle because it bumped right into that. The motors, they're warm. I can feel some warmth coming out of that. So they're working pretty hard. They're little motors, but these are, you know, $8 or $9 each. I think this whole setup was like $22 or something, which I think is amazing. Popeye likes it too. Yeah, it's snappy, it's fast, it's got really good throttle punch.
Whoa. Whoa.
Really good punch.
I noticed that while I was flying it. That's why
really
I kept hitting the ceiling.
I like it. I mean, this is a great little drone just to cruise around in the house. I like that there are two of them. You can have contests with this. I notice mine keeps drifting off to my left, your right, so let's make sure we can trim it up. Still going to the left a hair. And forward a hair. There we go. I'm hands-free now, so you can trim this up and it'll fly just perfectly. As long as you just learn to manage the throttle, you're good to go. So much fun. I like this. Oh, sorry. Oh,
my neck! At least I didn't kill somebody while I was flying mine.
No. This has a surprisingly long flight time too. I'm really impressed. There's nothing wrong with this. The folding arms are cool. Just a nice little like fun factor. They fold right in. So they're actually going to be a little bit more protected on travel with your arms folded in. They don't save much space because this is already really small. But I really like this. Those lights are super bright. I can actually see with them. Really nice. Orientation is very easy on this. Well, I'm trying to run the battery out for you guys, but this is a really long flight. So I don't know if we're going to get to do that in this video because we've gone over all the features. Abby and I have both flown. This is really nice. I like rate 2, I think, for indoor flying. Now, if you guys missed it, be sure to check out our video from yesterday because Abby and I are actually hosting our own
2 days ago.
2 days ago, I'm sorry. That's right. We have a cool little video telling you all about the event that we would like you guys to check out called RCS Fest 2018. We also have a registration page open now, so you can go ahead and pre-register, and that way we can get an early head count on everybody that's going to show up and make the event more awesome. See the blinking lights? Our battery's finally low, so that's really good. I love this. I highly recommend it. I think you guys should check this out. We have it linked in the description box below. I think you need to pick one up. Really awesome. On-off switch. I love it. You get 2 drones for what I say, in my opinion, is for the price of one. The transmitter feels good. I have full-size hands, and it feels good in my hands. I really like this a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.